Hi, my name is Kelly Tata. I'm currently a senior at the University of Kentucky, and I'm majoring in finance and marketing, and I'm from Louisville, Kentucky. So right now we're at the Gatton College of Business and Economics. This underwent a $65 million renovation in 2016. We have a partnership with the College of Fine Arts. There's an 8,000-pound sculpture above the atrium and a wall mural that consists of 68,000 colored pencils. The vibrant colors make you feel right at home. I talked about the atrium earlier. So this atrium is open to all students across the university. You can come here, sit on the couches, get your homework done, and start building a community here at UK. One of my favorite parts about the university, and especially in this building, is the 43 different group study rooms. This is an opportunity that you can get together with a group, go in there, get your work done, and then continue on throughout your day. There's a cafe in this building called Brioche. This is a great way you can grab some coffee, grab a snack, and then head off to class. Lastly, I want to talk about the Graham Career Center. This is a resource that students can take advantage of, whether you need resume help, or maybe you want to do a mock interview before your interview for an internship, co-op, or job. The Career Center also puts on a career fair at least once per semester. This is when about 100 employers come to the university. You get dressed up in your formal attire, you get your resume printed out, and you get to have this connection with these employers before you even graduate. This is a great opportunity that you can look for a job, internship, or co-op. Next, I want to talk about the engineering complex. We have the #1 engineering school in the state of Kentucky, consisting of 9 different majors. If you're unsure exactly which major you want to be a part of, that's totally okay, because that first year is exploratory no matter what. There are also over 40 different organizations within the engineering school that you can be a part of. For more information, visit the link on your screen.